Hi everyone. So we are doing H4 today, which is probability part 1. So what are we going to see is the introduction to probability first. So the definitions are sample space and probability of event occurring. Sample space is all possible outcomes. Example, you roll a unbiased die. Sample space can be any one of the digits can come on the face of the die, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So you roll an unbiased die, the sample space will be 6. So probability of event occurring can be defined as number of favorable outcomes divided by sample space. So sample space is all possible outcomes. You need to divide with that, and favorable outcomes is what you will need to figure out from the question. So using this formula, one simple example, probability of getting a 5 while rolling an unbiased die. So getting a 5 becomes your favorable outcome, and obviously you know getting a 5, there is just one possibility of that, and hence in the numerator we have written 1 divided by the sample space. Sample space in case of an rolling of an unbiased die, you know already it is 6. So probability of getting a 5 while rolling an unbiased die is, the answer to that is 1 by 6. Now, using this, let's solve this question. A group of 3 people has to be shortlisted among the 4 people A, B, C, D for distributing the first, second, and the third prize, 1 to each person. What is the probability that B is the part of the group? If you exactly remember, this is the same question that we had done, but in that case, we had just figure out the number of ways in which the prizes has to be distributed. But here we are going to figure out the probability, and the favorable outcome is that B has to be the part of the group. So first of all, sample space, you remember selecting 3 people out of 4 people, 4 ways of doing that, rejecting one person every time, 4C3 or 4C1 also you can now call it, since you already have the ideas of NCR, NPR, and then distributing the first, second, and the third prizes between the 3 different people. There are 6 total ways. So sample space is 6 into 4, which is 24. And now comes the important part, which is the favorable outcome. That the favorable outcome is B is the part of the group, and B is the part of the group. That means the one scenario out of the 4 scenario where B is not part of the group, that is third scenario, we are going to ignore that, and the remaining 3 we are going to consider, because those 3 scenarios are where B is the part of the group which satisfies our restriction. So B is the part of the group, 3 scenarios, and each of the way obviously will again have 6 ways of distributing the first, second, and third prizes. So favorable outcome is 6 3s are 18, and the probability is favorable outcome divided by sample space, that is 18 upon 24. You solve that, you get 3 by 4 as your answer. So 3 by 4 is your probability. This is how you apply the formula of probability to the different questions. So obviously now whatever you have done so far based on permutation combination will also be coming into the picture, and then you are going to do an additional working of figuring out the probability part as well. The next one, a team of 11 players needs to be shortlisted from a group of 15 players. Assuming B is the part of the 15 players, what is the probability that B is also the part of the team? So 11 players has to be selected out of 15. So 15C11 becomes your sample space, but you are not going to do that, you know already. You are going to use 15C4 for the mathematical ease of calculation. And the favorable outcome is B is also the part of the group. So B is selected. The remaining 10 people are supposed to be selected out of the remaining 14 people, because B is already selected, because that is the favorable outcome. So your favorable outcome is, ideally, assuming B is already selected, that remaining 10 people from the 14 players. So 10 players from the 14 players, 14C10, mathematically you are going to do 14C4. So when you do 14C4, the answer that you get is this. And the question is, find out the probability. Probability you already know, favorable outcome divided by sample space. You do that, this is what your answer is, 1001 divided by 1365. So both things now we are combining, not only the calculation ease but also the basic idea of probability. Thank you so much.